In today's video, I'll teach you how to increase touch sensitivity on Android. So if you want to increase the touch sensitivity, first of all open the settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down and find this option for display. Once you do that, tap on it. Now in the display interface in most of the devices, you'll be able to find the option for touch sensitivity. Right now I do not have this option, but I'll tell you what to do. What you have to do is simply toggle the button on right next to the option for touch sensitivity. Even if the touch sensitivity option is not available for you, you might be able to find the option for screen protector mode. What you have to do is toggle that button on. That option will also increase the touch sensitivity. So like this, you'll be able to increase the touch sensitivity. So that is how you increase touch sensitivity on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.